Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a simple and interesting story. The title of today's story is A Lucky Day. In this lesson, you will practice English listening, learn useful vocabulary, improve your speaking, so relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Mike woke up early one morning. The sun was shining through the window. It looked like a beautiful day. Mike stretched and smiled. "I feel good today," he said. After breakfast, Mike decided to go for a walk. He walked slowly down the street near his house. The weather was warm and pleasant. Birds were singing. People were walking their dogs. Suddenly, Mike noticed something shiny on the ground. He stopped and looked closer. It was a coin. Mike picked it up and laughed. "Well, that's a nice start to the day," he said. He put the coin in his pocket and continued walking. A few minutes later, he saw something else on the sidewalk. Another coin. Mike picked it up again. "This must be my lucky day," he said with a smile. Later that afternoon, Mike walked past a small shop. Outside the shop, there was a sign. The sign said, "Lottery tickets, try your luck." Mike looked at the coins in his hand. He smiled. "Why not?" he said. Mike went inside and bought one lottery ticket. That evening, Mike was sitting at home watching TV. The lottery numbers were about to be announced. Mike looked at his ticket. "Let's see if today is really my lucky day," he said. The numbers appeared on the screen. One number matched. Then another number matched. Mike leaned closer to the TV. "Wait, that's my number too." He checked the ticket again. Mike didn't win a huge prize, but he won a small amount of money. Mike laughed happily. "Well," he said, "it really was a lucky day." But then he thought about something. Maybe the real luck was not the money. Maybe the real luck was having a good day and a positive attitude. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. Coin. A coin is a small piece of metal used as money. Example, Mike found a coin on the ground. Lucky means having good things happen by chance. Example, Mike had a lucky day. Lottery. A lottery is a game where people buy tickets for a chance to win money. Example, Mike bought a lottery ticket. Pleasant means nice or enjoyable. Example, the weather was pleasant. Now let's listen to the story again. This time, listen carefully and repeat after me. Mike woke up early. It was a beautiful day. He decided to go for a walk. On the street, he found a coin. A few minutes later, he found another coin. Mike smiled. "This must be my lucky day." Later, he bought a lottery ticket. That evening, he checked the numbers. Mike won a small prize. He laughed happily. "Yes," he said, "today is my lucky day." Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Today is my lucky day. I found a coin on the street. Let's try our luck. I bought a lottery ticket. What a wonderful day. Great job. Thank you for listening to today's story. You just learned English through the story A Lucky Day. Remember, sometimes luck comes from small and simple moments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English!